All right, hello there. Today we're going to review Lesson 1, Mental and Emotional Health. As you take a look here, it's this PowerPoint right here. So go ahead and click on that, and it'll take you to this PowerPoint. All right, mental and emotional health. People with good mental and emotional health are able to accept themselves and others. Okay, there are other traits of a mentally and emotionally healthy person. And what do you think some of those traits are? Well, let's take a look. First, accepting change. All right, this is pretty important. If you can't accept change, life's going to be tough because life is full of changes. Expressing your feelings instead of bottling them up inside or holding them in, expressing them. Hey, I feel sad about this. Hey, this doesn't seem fair to me. Accepting constructive criticism. Not criticism, but constructive criticism, where somebody's telling you something to help you. Being adaptable, or another word would be flexible. Setting goals. Okay, if you don't set any goals, that's not a trait of a mentally and emotionally healthy person. And then coping skills. Coping with something that uh, has happened, whether it's moving, whether it's a dog dying, whether it's grandma or grandpa passing away. Okay, being able to cope with that. So, what makes you who you are? First, your personality. This is the unique set of feelings, thoughts, and behaviors that make you different from everyone else. And second, your self concept. It's the view that you have of yourself. Sometimes other people think higher of ourselves than we do. Okay, we have a poor self concept, but um, that self concept and the personality combined, that's what makes you who you are. So, what influences your personality and self concept? Okay, there are several things. Some of them are your teachers, your peers, your friends, family, media, and your religion. Those things certainly influence your self concept and personality. Especially as you're getting older here and you're relying more on friends and peers and what they think. You're seeing more media. Um, you're depending less on family and more on friends and peers. So, why does having a positive self concept matter? Well, first, if you do, you'll be more likely to view mistakes as learning opportunities. That's huge. Sometimes we view mistakes as failures, okay, but they're not. They're learning opportunities. If you go on YouTube, there's a ton of people that just look up famous failures on YouTube, and you'll see a ton of people that have messed up and failed and didn't give up though. Okay, you'll also be more likely to feel good about yourself, and then you'll be more likely to pursue your goals. So your personality plus your self-concept equals self-esteem. Self-esteem is huge, okay? And that's why self-concept is huge too, because if you have a low view of yourself, your self-esteem is going to be low. Self-esteem is the way you feel about yourself. Positive self-esteem traits are resilience, having resilience. That means getting back on the horse, not giving up easily, feeling appreciated, okay? Confidence, having confidence, being optimistic, like the glass is half full instead of the glass is half empty, and having a can do attitude in regards to challenges. Yeah, I don't really feel good about myself. How do I improve my self esteem? Well, how many times have you listed your strengths? Okay. Um, for me in middle school, it was very hard to list anything, any strength that I had. You know, I could say I'm good at being dumb or something like that. That's what I would have said in middle school. Because middle school was a tough time for me. So I understand this. But listing your actual strengths, if you can't think of any, ask your parents, ask your siblings. They'll give you a strength or two. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. I mean, everyone does. There's nobody that's perfect. And then number three, motivate yourself. Give yourself a goal. Okay? We have this video here I'd like to show you. Let me get to it and I'll put it on. All right, you'll find the link to this video in the health PowerPoint, the daily plan as well. But this is the video.
Look, I can be a circ. Now my whole house is great. I can do anything good. I like my school. I like anything. I like my dad. I like my cousins. I like my aunts. I like my elephants. I like my mom. I like my sisters. I like my dad. I like my hair. I like my haircuts. I like my pajamas. I like my stuff. I like my room. I like my whole house. My whole house is great. I can do anything good. Yeah. I can do anything good. Better than anyone. Better than anyone.
All right, so how would you like to have that kind of attitude, where that was your attitude? Everything is good. I like everything. I like my house. I like my Allisons. I like my dad, you know. I like my whole house. I like my hair. All right, so that's the end of our lesson 1. We'll be going on to lesson 2 here in a minute.